Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of one of the most iconic luxury watch brands in the world, Rolex. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Rolex, known for its classic luxury watch designs and innovation, has become synonymous with excellence and prestige. But did you know that this renowned brand's roots can be traced back to a small Bavarian town in the 19th century? Let's explore the captivating journey of Rolex. Our story begins in 1881 when a young man named Hans Wilsdorf was born into a middle-class family of ironmongers. Despite facing early hardships with the loss of his parents, Hans received a solid education thanks to his caring aunt and uncle. This upbringing instilled in him the values of self-reliance and appreciation for his possessions, which would shape his future success. After excelling in school, Hans found himself drawn to languages and mathematics. With a thirst for adventure, he ventured to the French-speaking city of Geneva, Switzerland, where he started his career as an apprentice with an international pearl exporting company. Little did he know that this experience would prove invaluable and provide him with a crucial lesson in business. In 1900, at just 19 years old, Hans embarked on a new chapter by moving to La Chaux-de-Fonds, Switzerland, to work as an English correspondent for the watchmaking company Kuno Korten. His fluency in English made him a valuable asset, as the British Empire and the United States were the primary markets for Swiss watches at the time. This job allowed him to immerse himself in the world of watch movements, igniting a lifelong passion. In 1903, Hans made his way to London, where he joined forces with his brother-in-law Alfred Davis to establish a watchmaking company called Wilsdorf and Davis in 1905. Their aim was to produce high-quality watches at affordable prices. Hans contracted a Swiss watchmaker named Hermann Egler to manufacture watches for their company. At this time, wristwatches were not yet widely accepted, but Hans believed in their potential and convinced Egler to produce them. It was during this period that the name Rolex was born. Legend has it that the name Rolex came to Hans while he was sitting on the upper level of a horse-powered double-decker bus, trying to create a catchy brand name. Combining letters of the alphabet, a stroke of genius struck him, and Rolex was born. Although the name had no inherent meaning, its catchiness became the perfect fit for the brand. As World War I erupted, Hans made a significant decision that would forever shape the brand's destiny. He changed the company's name to Rolex Watch Company and relocated its headquarters to Switzerland in response to the British government's customs duty. Despite the challenges, Rolex continued to thrive, employing over 40 individuals at this time. Rolex's most groundbreaking achievement came in 1927 with the launch of the world's first commercially viable waterproof watch, the Rolex Oyster. To prove its reliability, Hans sponsored a young London typist named Mercedes Glitzy, who aimed to become the first woman to swim the English Channel. Glitzy wore the Rolex Oyster during her historic swim, and to everyone's amazement, the watch remained perfectly functional. This triumph catapulted Rolex into the global spotlight and laid the foundation for the brand's testimony concept, a marketing strategy involving endorsements by prominent individuals. Rolex's association with remarkable individuals continued to grow. Sir Malcolm Campbell, a renowned land speed record holder, became a brand ambassador for Rolex. The company's dedication to precision led to another significant innovation in 1931, the Rolex Perpetual, the world's first self-winding watch. Its revolutionary winding rotor mechanism became the heart of modern automatic watches. Rolex's impact extended beyond the world of horology. During World War II, British Royal Air Force pilots commonly wore Rolex watches. Recognizing the significance of these timepieces, Hans offered to replace any confiscated Rolex watches belonging to captured officers. This gesture not only uplifted the morale of Allied prisoners of war, but also demonstrated Hans's unwavering belief in the ultimate victory. In a twist of fate, one Rolex watch played a vital role in the famous Great Escape of prisoners from a POW camp. Corporal Clive James Nutling had ordered a Rolex Oyster 3525 chronograph, impressing Hans with his choice. Hans advised Nutling not to pay for the watch until the war's end. This particular watch was later used to time the patrols of Nazi guards, showcasing the significance of Rolex even in the face of adversity. While Rolex achieved tremendous success, Hans faced personal tragedy with the loss of his wife in 1944. In her honor, he established the Hans Wilsdorf Foundation, which inherited his ownership stake in Rolex upon his death in 1960. This ensured that the company's profits would always contribute to charitable endeavors, including food banks, elderly charities, scholarships, and supporting educational institutions in Geneva. The Hans Wilsdorf Foundation's commitment to excellence and philanthropy remains perpetual, just like the self-winding watches that Hans Wilsdorf pioneered. Today, the foundation continues to make a profound impact on various humanitarian causes, while Rolex itself has become an iconic symbol of luxury and precision. And there you have it, the captivating story of Rolex, from its humble beginnings to becoming a global powerhouse of luxury watches. We hope you enjoyed this journey through history. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories about famous brands and people behind them. And as always, thanks for watching.